Okay guys, I'm gonna show you on what I'm currently working on. Here are mandarin trees and they just are to flowering, just there. So I'm removing maybe a couple of branches just from the inside. So this is the progress. Later I'm gonna mulch this with the Flail Mower, and after that I'm going to give these flowers micronutrients for a better pollination. So follow me to the process and let's start by pruning a couple of branches with my tools. So I'm gonna show you every step. Here is a very tall branch, so I'm going to cut it here. Okay. Now we cut it so the mandarin tree will come, branches new will come here and get lower and lower, so it is very easy to pick and fast. This is a cut. It is nice and clean cut. Over here are leftover branches from the pruning, so everything here was done today. So sun is not video is not best quality, but I will show you here. This is what we got, and next result. Look. Over here I need to do one more pass, so I'm going there and then I will be back just to make it thinner. Okay.